Presenting a pre-owned 2020 BMW. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include convenience package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and moonroof.